Hey guys, great to see you. I have a crazy life versus death story for you about knowledge versus action. And I think it's incredibly relevant right now, which is why I want to share you the story with you. And as well, when you stick with me to the end of the video, I have a little free something I'd like to give you to help you through these really challenging times that we're in right now. My name is Christian. I'm a senior coach at the Young Adult Academy. And this story was like a huge turning point in my life. And it goes back to the time I was in Chicago. So once upon a time, I was in Chicago. I spent more than a decade there. Really fantastic city, great people, great business, great social life, great nature, the lake, sports, everything, you name it. I really loved the place. I love my friends. I love my work. Yet at some point, I gained the knowledge and the realization that it was time for me to make a change. After a decade living in Chicago, I felt I wasn't growing anymore. A lot of things changed. Some of my best friends moved away. My work situation changed. Even my dad passed away. So a lot of stuff came up and I realized, gee, I need to make a change. So I had the knowledge, right? I had the knowledge, but I got stuck trying to turn that into action. With all those things kind of collapsing on me at the same time in a short time period, I wasn't able to really get into that action step. And that burnt a couple years of my life off, sadly. But now it's ingrained in me this importance of having action, consistent action, to take things forward. So once I got to Germany, amazing new life in Germany. I'm so glad I came to Germany. And at the same time, that knowledge versus action step wasn't enough. I had to take that knowledge and turn it into strength to make those big moves, to make the move to Germany, to get to know new people, establish new business connections. And then I also had to turn that strength into endurance, because even though I was 110% behind the original idea, it took a couple years to establish myself in Germany. So that endurance of pushing through all the challenges, all the difficulties, all the weird situations in a new language and a new culture, and just a new city in general is always challenging, right? Because we're building a new friends network from scratch. And why is this relevant right now? So we're in incredibly stressful times. There's a lot of unknowns. And we have the knowledge of what's good for us or what we need to do for ourselves, yet sometimes we get stuck in fear, we get paralyzed by fear, and we're not taking the action. So find some ways how you can push yourself out of this stuck state so you can take those baby steps forward. See what is one little thing you can do for yourself today to do something good for you that you know is good for you. Take your knowledge and push it into action. So the free gift I have for you is right now I have a few open time slots in my calendar and I want to give you a time slot totally for free. So 1 hour free coaching. I'm not selling anything. I just want to talk to you, get to know you a bit, see what's going on in your life, and see if I can help you with any of your goals or your challenges that you're having right now in your life. The link is in the description. I really look forward to talking with you personally, and I wish you a really great, powerful, and productive day and week. See you later.